Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. This is the video to show you my latest project in 2020. My first swap project with my dear friend Chona. And this is since you watched the video that saw my Tilda theme from my dear friend Smell the Roses Lolly in YouTube. And at first we have decided to do a swap, is a goodie box swap in Chona. Color choice is I believe it's a shabby shade, but since we received the Tilda swap project from my sweet friend Rory, and we decide and change our idea. So make the Tilda theme. So all this is the item that I will send to Chona, and one is an addition project to send to her. Actually it's two. We decided to do the goodie box swap, only one project, but I just want to make her something for her birthday. Even really over, but anyway, hope she will like this. And also I make a kettle with central template, and I tell that Centra will closing her shop, but I just love all her dies. So anyway, I so glad I get one of the this kettle template from her shop. If you still have the chances to get the template from her shop, because she will be closing on February, I believe. Anyway, so okay, let me to show you one by one what I make for Chona. Okay, this is the we decide to make the goodie box, and this is the Tilda that I print on the fabric. It's a white cotton fabric, so I just use the curly yarn. I couldn't get any more of this curly yarn. I bought this quite I believe quite some time from Daiso. I love this because you can see it's really perfect for make the hair. Okay, so I altered it, and we put the bow and put the ribbon, and the shirt I didn't do anything, just put a tiny trim and added some ruffle trim here under here, and underneath is covered with the fabric and laces, and I put these beads above. Just use the glue and glue on top. You can see. Okay, I love how it turned out, and I stuff the fiber underneath, make it more look dimension. Let's see, side here. Okay, and actually this is a basket that I bought quite last year. It's look like cane, but no, that is the plastic. I believe it's the plastic. So anyway, I use this to make and cover with the laces. It's a suitcase. Okay, so basket suitcase. So like so, and just open up. Okay, like this, and I use this eyelet lace. I have to buy more because I use a lot in this. So I love this eyelet lace. So let me grab this back. Okay, so you can see. Okay, and I just cut some of the tag print out and use the lace and the lace to make the pocket here, and also make another tag here, and this one, and I put the stickers on top. And this one is this cut stock, also the dies cut also from one of my collection. Tilda, the collection is the name of the paper pad is, I already forget what's the name of the paper pad. Yeah, from my dear friend Linda live at now. She sent me a lot of the Tilda theme paper pad, and I just grab one and just to make all this. All some of the this I print out from Pinterest at the tag and at the button here. So yeah, all this is a tag here. Yeah, this video will take time, so you have to grab the cup of tea and relax. So this is the cover, and also you can see here I print out the fabric and sew all these peggy in the back, and store the, some of the handmade. Sorry, this is this now is the button. It's my handmade button with the Tilda theme. Yeah, you have to check out to Chona video, and I will show you here. So yeah, hope she will show you what inside the bag. Okay, so yeah, just make a little tiny tag, and this now is a button. Cause Chona already have so many of the laces, beautiful laces that she bought from and yeah, most of the item from my stash she already have so I have no idea what should I send to her anymore. And yeah, she has so many gorgeous, yeah, maybe she has more gorgeous item, yeah, laces and appliques, everything, than me. Because so I have no idea what should I send to her, because I don't have any more. And so I have to make some handmade items, embellishment for her. Hope she will like this, and she can use all this into her project. Handmade, another baggie. Print this fabric, and she like blue, but I don't like the bright blue, so I will make the the pastel blue. And this another one is flower, so I send some of the flower for her. And this one handmade is, oh yeah, I should take some photo to show you. Okay, and you have to watch her video so you can see what I sent to her. Okay, handmade here, and flower. Okay, another bag, yeah, handmade. Yeah, so many handmade stuff that I sent to her, and die cuts, and I cut some die cuts for her into the paper. And flower, this one's tiny one, and another flower. Yeah, flowers you can use into her project. Another, oh, this I haven't listed down, but this is the handmade. Okay, this one, butterfly. Yeah, handmade some butterfly. Also some trims. I just can find to take trims for her that I believe she have, I don't have. Another die cuts. So yeah, all this you have to check out to her video. I will pop a link below the description box when she receive the this, and hopefully she will show everything with you all. If not, I will post a video, picture. This is underneath, and I use the Tilda paper and add all this to cover. And I make this divider by my own, use a cardstock, and use the lace trim to cover up So yeah, this is our swap package, and yeah, Chona, I really hope you like everything inside the box, and hopefully you can share everything in the box with with uh, with us. with I don't know what I want to say. So yeah, all this I will. This one is full package, I believe. Let me just see. Yeah, another package here. So yeah, all this is a goodie box that we decide to do. Actually, we decided to do last year, but last year is too busy for us. So yeah, we just delay our swap. So yeah, I hope you like this goodie box that I made for you, Chona. Now I show you the addition item that I made for her. This one I'll put down first. Okay, I made for her actually she chose another one that I show you before, the blue. The cutter that I have, I will put below the description box also. Also, you can check the end screen when the video ends. You can check out the link from the video. And she chosen the blue one, but I just wanted to match with this theme, so I just asked her if she don't mind. I will make another one for her, so she will get this Tilda theme in blue. So yeah, I really hope she will like this one. I make these two cake box. Actually, inside the cake box, the goodie is the ambassador package items. Anyway, yeah, I will send together with the ambassador package with her to her. So yeah, I won't show inside the items, so just wait for Chona to show you all. This is what I made. I just use the sticker and cut out all this flower and two layer here, and use the Tilda and sit on the top. Okay, just the cake box. Another one, it's the same, but the pattern paper is different, pastel. So yeah, and this is the kettle. I make the spoon and the tip pad already glue on top, and put the sticker here and the spoon, and first cut out all the flower and put the sticker. And this is the back, and like so. And it is this drawer. This is the inside. Yeah, you have to check out to Centra Facebook, the blog. I will pop the blog link. You have to send the email to her if you want to buy the template before she closing her shop. Yeah. So this is so, and I make a every kettle I also make something to put in. This is what I make. Is a teacup with a little tiny spoon and the tag. Okay, so another one, and I print out two and layer two together so I can make the pocket. Underneath is a Tilda paper. So this is the pocket with the I am frame, right? Let me just show you here. Okay, so this one is a layer 2 Tilda theme, and the tag. Every cup also with the tag, but I didn't embellish everything because just wait for Chona's, maybe she will decorate this. So every cup with will have the tag, tiny teacup also with the tiny tag, and this one with the tag, and so many different pattern here and here, and another tiny teacup here, and this one, and this one, and this one, all with the little tiny tag, and this one, and the paper, this one, and this. So yeah, this I will put in the drawer inside. So, and close it back like so. And yeah, this is the addition project that I make for her. And also I make for her a birthday cake that she birthday on the 1st of January, and so I decided to make her a cake. It's the cushion cake. So yeah, you can use this to just put all your needle and your pincushion. What I do is I print up the fabric in the Tilda theme and sew in the circle. My sewing skill is quite bad. What I can do is just the straight line, so I have to use some laces and flower to cover the ugly part. So yeah, and all this is removable, is the pin. So even the Tilda doll, so you can remove everything, and the teddy also, everything can remove. And this is a happy birthday tag. Oh, can focus. So yeah, and everything you can remove here. Or this just glue, this cannot remove. Okay, so you can use this and put on your desk. You can put the needle, so you have the big pincushion. So I use this to put together, so it's pretty. And like so, match with the theme. So yeah, that's it. And this I showed before is that my entry also is the Tilda theme, match with the theme. And this big box also I match with her theme, because this is her ambassador goodies, and so you can use this to design the project and show with us. So yeah, I will send it together. And this also is the ambassador. Inside the goodies is also is the DT items. So yeah, that's it. And I really hope you all will like everything here that I make for Chona and all this. And yeah, and thanks again, and please stay tuned for another video that I will post another theme, that the item that I make in 2020. Okay, I hope you all like this, and if you please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you all think. And yeah, if you like this project, just give me a big thumbs up. That is really encouraging. Yeah, it's a how to say, is the something encourage me to make more beautiful project to share with you all, and more beautiful kit to share with you all. And thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.